Agorapulse now integrates TikTok. You can manage comments, schedule content, publish TikToks to other channels, and receive power reports that include your TikTok channel. Here's a walkthrough of how to use Agorapulse with TikTok. Why do we care about TikTok app is quickly catching up to Facebook and Instagram in terms of popularity? TikTok app users spend an average of 26 hours per month using the app. They also open it 8 times a day. Marketers are also seeing positive results from the platform. A higher organic engagement rate on TikTok will result in more fans, interactions, web traffic and a better ROI for social media. TikTok has an average engagement rate of 10.53%. Instagram's engagement rate is 0.96%. Facebook's is 0.38%. Twitter is only 0.08%. Marketers are also tired of the old social networks, which offer poor engagement and customer service, as well as low-value advertising, an aging demographic, possibly off-target, and poor value advertising. TikTok offers marketers a fun and fresh way to reinvent themselves. This at ContentWorks TikTok channel, for example, features agency chats, client problems, and behind-the-scenes antics. Example of a TikTok channel. What you can do with Agorapulse's TikTok integration. I've been playing around with the TikTok Agorapulse integration. Here are a few quick tips to save you some time. Can you connect your personal TikTok account? Agorapulse can only be linked to TikTok business accounts. Visit this TikTok page to find out how to convert your TikTok to a business account. It's best to switch if your TikTok is for a company. There's no legal risk if you are a company using the TikTok sound library. Switching to a TikTok business account is free. Can you add more than one TikTok account? You can add multiple social media accounts if your subscription plan allows for it. Select Switch Account. Then log in to each TikTok profile. You can check your plan by visiting the Organization Settings Subscribe menu. This can only be done through TikTok API. You can add filters if you share a TikTok to another channel. This can only be done through TikTok API. This also applies to voiceovers, duets, green screen, and overlay text. Stitches and duets will be enabled automatically when you upload your video. If you don't like them, you can disable them prior to posting. More about that later. Can social listening be performed? As of now, no. Can you reply to comments and manage them? Agorapulse can be connected to TikTok, so you can respond to comments from the same location as other profiles. Direct messages are not included. Can you publish your TikTok video to other channels using Agorapulse? You can upload your TikTok videos from your phone or desktop using the Agorapulse Advanced Content Calendar. TikTok is included in Power Reports, whether they are aggregated or individual. Power Reports can be used to show results and prove the ROI of social media efforts. It doesn't matter if you are a social media manager, or a marketing firm. Do you want to know more about TikTok? The TikTok blog library covers all the basics. We can now dig deeper into the Agorapulse TikTok platform. Free ebook. Launching a brand with TikTok on your Agorapulse panel. You should first add your TikTok business account to Agorapulse. Click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to add a social profile. You will find the TikTok business account option on the main Connect page. After you click the plus, you can log into your TikTok account and authorize it. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. Click on the link below to visit our website for more detailed information.